Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my next video. It's been a while. In this video, I just want to give you guys some motivation. I know when you're out there pursuing whatever it is that you want to pursue, a lot of times we have moments of when, basically we have moments when we question, what are we doing wrong? Why am I not getting results? Why isn't this happening? Or whatever it is that you're doing in your struggle to go after your dream or goal or whatever it is. The key is to keep on trying. One way is to work on your mindset. Your mindset is very important. If you have a mindset that's very negative, it's always going to go against you. Our minds, in a certain way, are like computers. If we program our mind with negative thoughts and just take in all the negative that's going on in the world and everything like that, your mind's going to start thinking negatively. If you program your mind with good thoughts, believing that you can do anything is possible if you never quit and you keep on working towards your goals. If you keep programming your mind with that kind of content in your mind, then the odds of you succeeding increase, because you know you'll never quit. You know you'll always have an optimistic point of view, but if you don't do that, then it's going to go against you. Now, there are many ways you can train your mind to do that. On YouTube, all you got to do is type in motivational videos into the search engine, and you're going to get tons of motivational speeches, motivational talks. I listen to that kind of stuff. I listen to it all the time. And that's why I have such an optimistic view of going after your dreams and goals. Now, I know lately I haven't been on my channel lately, and I really haven't put out a lot of content. But sometimes life gets in the way. I do intend to put some more videos out there about my online business, and also standalone videos like this. Because this is the kind of videos people need to hear. Like anything in this world, everything that you're going after requires work. It requires dedication. And if you're not willing to do that, then you're never going to succeed. There's no such thing as a free ride in this world. And just like with online business, there's no such thing as a get-rich-quick opportunity. Now, Exitus, the business I promote, it has the potential to make really good money in it. But you got to work, you got to get out there, you got to get seen and heard. And I know there's a lot of people out there that are saying, I can never do any of that stuff. That's another reason why you're going to fail. Because if you're not willing to get out of your comfort zone, there's an old saying, I forget who coined it, but it says, I'm paraphrasing when I say this, it says, a comfort zone is a great place to be, but nothing ever grows there. When you start breaking new barriers in what you can believe that what's possible for you to do, once you start doing that and you gain the confidence to break new ground on what you're capable of, you can accomplish anything. I used to be terrified of making videos. Now I do it like as easy as I do like breathing. Like I can do this with my eyes closed. That's how simple making videos is for me. It's like breathing. I don't even think about it anymore. That's what I was trying to say when I was saying breathing. But You just got to go out there and do it. No one's going to tell you, no one's going to show you 100% what you got to do. Now, when you're working for yourself and you're working on building your own dreams and goals, most of us are trained to be under somebody. Like, somebody has to tell us what to do. And the reason why when people do online business, they get frozen and everything, it's not like when you're at your job, you have your boss, he tells you what to do, and you do the job and that. No, you have to make the effort to do it. And I'm not going to lie, the last few weeks, I have actually been kind of lazy. And in a way, it's kind of hurt my channel because I haven't been putting out more content. But I am getting re-energized, and I am really going to get out there again, and I'm going to start putting out more videos like this to help even the people that don't join me. And I'm also going to do more videos on Exitus Elite and Power Lead System, my back-end business. So don't give up. Keep feeding your mind with positive things. Take a while, turn off all the garbage that you see on TV, like the news and all that stuff. I'm not saying you can't watch that kind of stuff just to be informed, but a lot of that stuff, it does drain you. But what you got to do is, like I said, type in motivational videos into the YouTube search engine, and you're going to find tons of videos that are going to help you, that are going to motivate you to push forward and to help you to build your dreams and goals. So that's all I'm going to say in this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got something out of it. And that's what my channel has always been about. It's always been about, don't give up on your dreams and goals. Be an optimist and stay positive. Even in this dark world, you can still train your mind to live your best life. So that's all I'm going to say in this video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys all in the next video. And make sure you like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell next to the subscribe button, so you'll get notified when I upload new content. And it will actually also help me in my channel, so I can get the algorithm to push my video out there, this video that you listen to more people, and so I can help more people. So that's all I'm gonna say. I'll see you guys all in the next video. It is Saturday, so have a nice weekend, and I'll see you guys in the coming week. Bye.